You bought residential proxies. Now your tool won't connect, your IP keeps getting flagged, and you're burning gigabytes for nothing. Here's the part nobody tells you. Most of those failures aren't caused by proxies. It's one wrong dropdown during setup. Fix that, and the same proxies that were failing start working in under a minute. Quick context first. Residential proxies are IPs assigned by internet service providers to real home devices, meaning when you send a request, the target site sees normal consumer traffic, not a data center. That's why trust scores are high. That's also why setup matters more here than anywhere else. Residential bandwidth is the most expensive type, so a misconfigured run drains gigabytes you already paid for. MarsProxies sources these IPs from genuine devices with real ISP-issued connections, and those IPs aren't rented out or shared externally. That's the pool you're working with. Now let's set it up. Step 1. Create a MarsProxies account and log in. Top right, click your username. Hit deposit, choose card or crypto and pay. That balances what you'll spend from. Here's a detail most tutorials skip. MarsProxies runs pay as you go. No monthly subscription, no expiry on traffic. That 1 gigabyte you load today still works in 3 months. See, this changes how you should buy. Start small, test, then scale. Step 2. Left menu, residential, create new order. Pick your gigabyte amount. Pricing starts at $3.49 per gigabyte, with bulk discounts. For a first run, 1 gigabyte is enough to test your software, your geo, and your rotation settings before committing more. Pay with your account balance. Order confirmed. Now the part that actually decides if your proxies work, the configuration. Open the residential proxies dashboard. You'll see a row of drop-downs. Every one of them matters. Let's walk through a real example. Rome, Italy. Sticky for 30 minutes, SOX 5. First, the country. MarsProxies covers 195 locations, every country on the map. Pick Italy, then state or region. Then the city, type Rome. That's city-level targeting in 2 clicks. Most providers stop at the country. This is what lets you scrape localized pricing, localized search results, or test geo-restricted content properly. Next, rotation. 2 options. Rotating gives you a new IP per request, best for scraping at scale where you want fresh IPs for every call. Sticky holds the same IP for a window you choose, anywhere from 1 second to 7 days. Use Sticky when you're managing accounts, completing checkouts, or doing anything that breaks if your IP changes mid-session. Sticky doesn't mean permanent. The IP stays active for your chosen window, then rotates. For our example, set Sticky to 30 minutes. Long enough to load a site, browse, and finish a task without a session reset. Most people pick rotating by default and wonder why their logins keep breaking. If your tool needs session continuity, Sticky is the answer, every time. Now the protocol. HTTP, or SOX 5. HTTP and HTTPS work for most browsers and scrapers. They're the default for web traffic. SOX 5 handles more protocols and works better with tools that need raw socket connections, like certain bots and automation frameworks. If you're not sure, your tool's documentation will tell you which one it expects. For our Rome example, pick SOX 5. Hostname. You'll see DNS and IP options. Some tools like multi-login and certain anti-detect browsers need DNS to resolve correctly. Others want a raw IP. Pick the one your tool asks for. This single setting kills more setups than anything else. Quantity. How many proxy sessions you want generated. Format. The string layout your tool expects. IP:/port:/user:/pass, or whatever your scraper reads. For authentication, you have 2 paths. Username and password, which works anywhere. Or IP whitelisting, where you authorize your own IP and skip credentials entirely. Whitelisting's cleaner for fixed servers. User:/pass is better for dynamic setups. And now you've got a working list. You can download it as .txt or .csv. You can also copy and paste it straight into your tool. Done. One more thing most people miss. Unlimited concurrent sessions are included, meaning you can run hundreds of requests in parallel without throttling. And because traffic doesn't expire, scaling up doesn't punish you if a job pauses. That's the full setup. Country, city, rotation, protocol, hostname, format. 6 choices, under 60 seconds when you know what each one does. Now the question becomes which use case to build first. Sneaker drops, localized scraping, or account management. Each one needs slightly different settings. Head to MarsProxies and grab 1 GB to test your setup today.